you.
Yeah, well.
When I go out,
When I go out.
well, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. When I get drunk,
When I get drunk.
well, I know I'm gonna be the man who gets drunk next to you. Yes.
Yeah.
But when I hear
What's he to me?
well, I know I'm gonna be the man who's shivering to you.
Do you know the song? Kui kuumla rahvas kuldselal kord istus maha jooma.
You mean song? Kui kuumla rahvas kuldselal kord istus maha jooma, siis vanemuine Bemmiga läks Viru valget tooma.
No. It goes like this. Kui kuumla rahvas kuldselal kord istus maha jooma, siis vanemuine käpaki läks hakkus penti tooma. My fair lady, don't I have this dance?
Tunisia national dance, Kangara.
Yeah, that's the one. Wait for a moment. Nothing special. Have a look. A pure Estonian vodka made from finest grain grown on Estonian fields. And it wasn't cheap, about 100 krones.
Whoa, that's awesome. And how much in euros?
About €7, I guess.
Oh.
I had to spend all my money on rough 8 craters.
Oh, I wish I were like you when I grow up, David.
Oh, Charles, are you okay?
Whoa.
What's up?
Ah,
Give me.
ah.
What did you say? I don't know. What's this?
He's wasted. Hey,
I want the same stuff he had.
no, you don't. This is so lame. Let's go somewhere else. Come on. Hey, come on, get your lazy ass up.
Hey-ho! Hey-ho!
Oh.
Take on, man, no.
Let's just leave him. He'll be fine later on.
Come on.
I can't do it, Mom. Are you sure? Is it breathing? Hard, dude. Let's just leave him. He'll be fine.
Are you sure? Maybe stay.
What are you doing in the park so late in the evening? You're underage and are not allowed to stay out after 11.
It's a misunderstanding. I was just coming from the library, and I don't even know those people.
What were you drinking?
It wasn't me. I told them not to, but they didn't listen to me. They are wasted. I wouldn't waste my time on that. I'm going to be somebody, you know?
And you left your friend behind. Don't you kids care about anything?
I wanted to, really, but
Howdy, girls.
hi, how are you? Are you okay?
Hi. It was tough, but now it's pretty much okay.
I feel so bad about what had happened. Can you forgive me?
Let's just try to forget it. Let's move on.
Thanks.
Hey, you two, cut it out. There are other people here too. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, I love you. Look back from the dead. Are you ready for the next round in the evening? This is definitely going to be something awesome.
Aren't you sick of the life you're living? Drinking and partying and you're pathetic, you know.
Whoa, slow down, man. You wanted to be one of my gang, remember?
Don't you have anything better to do? You think that's cool to follow this age?
Those pussies don't have a brain of their own. They're nothing without me. You understand?
Wait a second. Are you saying that I'm some brain gone?
How can you say so? I thought that we were friends.
Maybe.
Yeah, you said that we can always come to you when we are in trouble.
I wasn't forced that you asked me to your friend to say. And what about the secret?
None of your goddamn business how I pick my friends. You cannot even hold a bottle of beer down. Drink like a woman, take a pint.